Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a part of a video in CapCut, and I'll walk you through each step so it's super easy to follow along. Step 1. First, bring your clip onto the timeline in CapCut. Once your clip is on the timeline, use the split tool to cut your video into sections. You can split it wherever you need, depending on which part of the video you want to export. Step 2. After splitting the video, select the part you want to export. Right-click on the clip, then go to Range and select Select by Clip. The clip you selected will now be highlighted, making it ready for export. Step 3. Now go up to the Export button and click on it. You'll be asked to name the file. Just name it whatever you like, for example, Clip 1. Don't worry about changing any other settings unless you need to. Step 4. Once you've named the file, just click Export again. The clip will be saved to your computer, and you can move on to exporting another part if needed. Step 5. Repeat the process for any other clips you want to export. Simply select the next clip, right-click, choose Select by Clip again, and export it just like you did before. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tutorials.